Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So y'all, I am in Tractor Supply. I came in Tractor Supply for some seed starting mix because we getting that cold weather. So I gotta start my seeds inside my garage, y'all, because I'm not gonna start it in the greenhouse and then we get down to like, you know, 9, 10, 11 degrees or something like that, and then that's to be too cold right there for some seeds. So I came in Tractor Supply and y'all, they got their garden stuff out, y'all. They got some garden stuff. They got some garden stuff out, y'all. So let me show you what they got. Y'all, look at this. They got their seed trays out. Y'all know I was up in here. The kids looking at me like they got their seed tray. These are the pop out reusable. Ooh, I don't know how much they are, but they heavy duty. If y'all want some of those, they got Burpee got on the pop out reusable ones too. I saw these and online. I don't know how much they is. These down here is $14.99. Okay, $14.99 for those, and that's the 72 cell tray. But that ain't the, it's sturdy, but it ain't the sturdy ones like these because they reusable. So I don't know what the price is on those. And then they got the bio degradable ones right here. I knew it was something when I saw tomato cages out. They got tomato cages up here at the front, like right over up in there, right that green. I knew it was something then. They got these because we they didn't have no seeds and that. They got these right here, the self-watering them ones. Y'all, I'm so excited to start seeing this stuff. I know it was coming. Okay, they always do this with they seeds, y'all. And you see they fully stocked with seeds, y'all. They always do this. 25% off Burpee seeds. If they're $1.99, they $1.49. Okay. I was so happy to come in here and see this, y'all. I was so happy to come in here and see these. And they just got these in. I heard that daggone music, y'all. So let me go ahead and turn it. I ain't gonna be able to sing them because I don't want to get a copyright strike.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around. Cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying. You got it. I believe in you. You got it. I know you got this. You got it. Just keep on trying. You got it. There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah. Always carrying that oh so heavy load. When you feel like there's too much on your plate, just call on me, and I'll help you carry some of that weight. I wanna make you understand, let you know that there's always a helping hand. Cause I know we can make it, yeah we can make it if we try. Yes.
Y'all, look, they got trees. They got fruit trees. Oh my goodness, these are the bare root fruit trees. Oh my goodness. Yup, told you. They got the peak. These are apples and peaches and apples, and I see some plums back there and some pears back there too. So let me go over here and see if they got, what is this? I know this ain't no nesting. It looked like a hog feeder. Okay, I don't need no hog feeder. I don't think it was gonna be out here. Then it may be. Seed starting, yep. They got it, they got it, they got it, they got it, they got it. So I'm gonna get 2 bags of this Miracle Grow seed starting mix. 8-quart bags. So we could get some seeds started, y'all. So yeah, so it's that time, y'all. They done start bringing this stuff out. So excited, so excited, so excited. Y'all just don't understand. All right, y'all. So they got even more fruit trees. Look at the, oh, they got the small trees. I wonder, can I buy this right now? I wonder, is they ready to be bought? I'm gonna have to ask y'all. Look at this. They got it over there. They put it out yet. Ooh, they got the pomegranate. I see strawberries, kiwis. What's that? Stars and stripes? No, them flowers. Look at that. I be dagging. They got figs and gooseberries and all those. They're gonna be $10.99, y'all. Like that. Look, y'all, I'm paying $1.56. Use y'all rewards, okay? I got 2 bags of potting soil and some seeds. But because I use my reward, my $10 reward, I'm paying $1.56. Oh, okay, y'all. So today is what? January 9th. The weather is slowly getting worse, okay? But the exciting thing is 2 bags of seed starting mix, which is $5 each, and I got that little pack of seeds or whatnot. Came up to like $12 and something, but after she used my reward, $1.56, y'all. $1.56. I am not complaining about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one if it's God's will, okay? Bye.